Good morning, everybody. Welcome to Michigan Life Above the 45th Parallel. I'm Clarissa.
And I'm Jason.
And today we're going to switch it up a little bit.
We're going to do something fun today.
Yeah.
Not
Since we got
so
this
much
running,
work.
we're going to go ahead and get out my little chainsaw that I got for my birthday a couple of years ago.
Yep.
Take our little
wagon
over
dump
there.
trailer.
Throw some tools in there, and we're going to go ahead and the little paths that we kind of found while we were doing that walk around the perimeter, we've decided that we want to go ahead and try to make some ATV trails that are already pretty much there, and we can use the little chainsaw to kind of pave
Cut
our
down
way.
the little twig trees on the path, and then we got a rake. We'll rake it up, and then I kind of want to run some paths along the edge of the property, so I always know and have a good understanding where our property lines are.
Yeah.
Stay to the inside of it, and then just kind of clear some paths so that when we want to ride the quad, I'm not tearing up the driveway.
Yeah.
We can go run trails around the woods and then not have to rework the driveway all the time because quads are tearing
And
it
not
up.
just have to just keep on doing the same loop right here. We can have some fun with some stuff.
Yeah. So we're going to try and do a fun day. A little bit of work, but the work's going to equal some fun.
Yeah, because we'll be able to shoot around on the four-wheeler.
Yep. So today we thought, what the heck? Labor
We
Day
need
weekend.
some fun too, because you know,
Yep.
we couldn't bring the truck up this weekend, so we couldn't bring another kayak, so we may as well go ahead and do something with a four-wheeler since we can't go kayaking.
Yep.
Yeah.
I was thinking about kayaking this weekend, but can't do that. So next best thing, since the quad's running now, let's rip the quad for the weekend, at least for the day.
Yeah, for a couple few hours.
So tag along, see what we get into today. Be something a little different on the channel. We haven't really had to hack some trails in a while.
No, we haven't had the opportunity to be able to do this yet, so this is actually quite exciting.
Yeah. So
Yeah.
all right,
Yay.
see what we get into today, I guess.
Yeah. Never know what'll happen. I'm definitely leaving my phone at camp though.
Yeah.
And if you know, you know.
Good to borrow it. Yeah, we're going to keep the trails to the back of the property because we can't really do any building because of restrictions on the gas pump. We can't build permanent structures within so many feet of it. So the back half of the property, like third, can't really build. So I figure we'll keep our trails back here because...
Why not?
There's not a whole lot we could do with the woods back here. So we either just leave it as is or like turn it into some sort of fun zone, basically.
Yeah.
So,
so we're going to go ahead and grab our little chainsaw and...
Yeah,
I
want to go find the line. In the beginning, we're going to have to kind of figure out where we're going here, but get a game plan here and just start making paths. What the heck?
You got 2 right or 2 left?
Did they give me 2 left-hand gloves?
There's 2 sets.
Is there?
Yeah. So yeah, we're going to go ahead and open up right here and get all the little trees out. So, here we go. After he figures out his glove problem.
try and pile it up. So when it dries out, we got more firewood near camp.
Moving in a little further.
Start. Our line will stay just on the inside of our property line. It should be good. It'll take a while to smooth them out, and there's like some ruts, and I might take the tractor through and even it out a little bit, but be some whoops in here, and it should be fun. It'll take a while to beat down the path, but we got to start going. Come up to like a fork in the road up here. It'll be like a whoopty on one path and a Y off and take the nice easy route. So there'll be a few spots in the trail where we'll have an easy route, and then like a part where it'll be like whoopty and like fun to ride on. So coming up to our first little junction here.
I need a drink.
So we got a Y.
Huh?
This will be smooth path. This will be like whoopies along the edge.
How smooth this one's gonna be, because I just found some other things over here that's like.
Well, no, right here, babe. Curve right here.
Oh, I know.
You go around the whoopies and you go back to the smooth path along the edge. It'll be like a little island.
But you know how like you get into like start seeing shit.
straight shot at the camp, and we got one lap made. A little course or something, a small leg of the course. All right, making progress. We just got a straight shot at the camp. Probably what?
100 feet.
60, 70 feet.
Yeah.
And then with like 3 trees, little baby things we got to cut down, pretty much raking most of the way.
Yeah.
Which maybe get out the leaf blower and maybe blow the last of this section because there's not a lot in the way. But yeah, we got a little course here. There's a couple different little paths you can choose. It reminds me of being a kid making bike tracks.
Yeah. Well, I
Kinda
used
cool.
to make them. I used to make 4-wheeler little tracks with my friend.
You know, I used to like do BMX riding and stuff, and like
Yeah.
I thought it was. I'd always make like dirt tracks in the woods wherever I lived. There's always a track somewhere I made nearby.
And plus, you never know, you
Haven't
might
done
want
this.
to just walk it too.
Yeah, nice walking paths now that are clear.
Yeah.
Quad paths. There's like an easy section and then like
A whoop-de-whoop.
a whoop-de-whoop with like a little rougher section. So if you just want to putz around, you can take like the little easy routes.
Yeah.
Then if you want to like ride a quad, you can like take, I guess, the rougher of the 2 routes.
Yeah. And when we're all done, I'll go through and, I don't know, I ride it or
Yeah.
walk it or whatever, but I'll show it to you when it's all done because
I think we're another 20 minutes, half hour here.
really you guys just saw it with us doing the
Yeah.
perimeter walk. This is just taking those little path of least resistance areas and opening them up.
Yeah. We're trying to stay just to the edge of the property line. So that once we beat these trails down and they're like kind of synced in, then like
We
we'll
already
always
know.
know where our line will be.
Yep.
So we don't have to worry about stakes or anything because it just got stakes, so we're just following
Yeah.
the stakes they
And we're
had.
planning on putting something more permanent there so that it like a metal rod or something, but
Yeah.
you know how that goes, plans and all that.
Just thinking of digging a post hole, getting some rebar, sinking a bag of cement in each hole with the rebar right at the stake, and then it's just permanently there.
Yeah. But sometimes that gets lost too.
Yeah.
But we're doing our best.
And then you
We're
cut the
having
rebar
fun.
off flush, and then you just hit it with a metal detector. Once you hit that, you know, because we just had our neighbor doing that recently. He was looking for his boundaries, and there was stakes in the ground sunk down. It's
Yeah.
a good way to always be able to find them. So, but anyways,
Yeah, we're gonna go ahead and get back to work though.
yeah, we're gonna finish this. We're pretty close. This is kind of cool.
It's close.
We finish it, and then
Then
I'm
we'll
gonna,
get to play with it.
yeah, we're gonna try it out.
That's gonna be the fun part.
It's fun having fun, not just working. I mean,
Yeah.
it is work to get this
Yeah.
done, but I feel like,
It's kind of fun too.
yeah,
Yeah.
it's a super
It's
quickly rewarded.
memories.
Yeah,
You know
you
how
get
it does.
rewarded immediately when you're done. You can ride it, and enjoy it. So,
Yeah. All right.
all right, let's finish up.
Here we go.
loosened up a lot.
Yeah, it did.
Now the pump house is right in the middle of the path.
That's fine.
Well, it is hooked right. Or I mean left.
Yeah.
Alright guys, we are through. Trail's complete. Let's put tools away. Take a breather. Snowblowing. Leaf blower was way easier than raking, but raking gets a better job. It gets all like the extra branches that are stuck in the ground up, so I still might rake this section. But I don't know, for a quad trail it's probably alright.
Alright guys, well, we had an amazing day. We got so much done. We went ahead and got all these trails cut.
Yep.
And now we're going to go ahead and play.
Yep. We're going to go enjoy the trails now.
Yeah. So we wanted to go ahead and close this video here, but we'll throw a little bit of us doing whatever. You'll see whatever you see after this.
Run. We'll show you the test run.
We're going to go on our maiden voyage.
Yep. More trails to go. I got an idea. A couple more trails we're going to cut. Maybe next time we'll cut some more trails, but
yeah,
this will be it for this one.
Yeah. And it goes all the way around, so there's no dead ends. So
like a loop.
Yep. A couple side trails. It'll be good. But if you like what you watch, go ahead and hit that like button.
Yep. If you haven't subscribed yet, hit that subscribe button. We'd appreciate that.
And then if you'd like, you can become one of our members.
Yep.
Get extra perks with early releases and little emojis, and you'd be helping out the channel.
Yep. And don't forget to hit that notification bell so when we do drop new videos, you don't miss them when they come out.
Yep. And then, of course, my favorite, don't forget to comment.
Yep. Death and taxes, guaranteed in life. Her comment, reply back to yours.
And then don't forget to share.
Yep. Sharon's Karen.
Yep. All right. Well, everybody have a wonderful rest of your day.
Yep.
We'll see y'all on the next one.
Bye, everybody.
Bye, guys.